So okay guys, let's start our typing class. So today's class, as I said, is going to be very important. Okay, so why? Because we are starting with actually the typing of our CT5 portion. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we'll start with our first chapter is life tables in CT5 portion, right? So we have notation of TPX, TQX, or I say KPX, KQX, and we have also deferred probability, right? So we will be doing notations of those first, then we will be moving forward to our next chapter, that is assurance. So we will be moving on to the notations of assurance, and then further we will be moving on to the notations of life annuities. Clear? So in this class I will be focusing on all the notations. In next typing class we will be focusing on questions directly. Is it clear? That's why today's class becomes base for my next classes that I will be discussing for the questions. Okay. So shall we move forward? So I will be telling you both the approaches using the normal approach. If you don't want to write, exactly in the notational symbol, I will also tell that, and obviously using the equation editor. So वो तो बताऊंगी. Okay. So everyone ready? Give me a done in the chat room. Everyone ready? Quickly give me a yes in the chat room. Ready? ठीक है. So ठीक है, let's start. First we have Ly by Lx, right? So how will we write Ly by Lx? It is basically simple use of my subscript and superscript. So L control shift yes, L control shift minus, I have y in there, control shift minus this. Now can you see it becomes capital, but actually my notation is small or not? Okay, so I can write it as Lx. Okay. So this becomes my normal notation, and if I have to use my equation editor, it becomes Ly by Lx and a space bar. So it was nothing new. Now moving forward to TPX. Now look, writing TPX in equation editor is lot more difficult as compared to writing TPX in normal approach. Why? Because when I, for example, let's write in normal approach. So what exactly is my notation? It is TPX. So I have T in my subscript, right? Then I have P in my normal script, and finally I have X in the subscript. So how will I write it? Control shift minus to go to the subscript, control shift minus to come to the normal script, then I write my P, control shift minus again to the subscript, control shift minus. Similarly, if I write TQX, control shift minus T, control shift minus Q, control shift minus X. So very easy. And even if you don't want to use the subscript and superscript, then also you can write it as TPX simply. IFOA and IA also allows use of this. TPX and TQX without use of subscript and superscript, you can also write in this way. Clear? But if for example we have T plus 1 QX, so control shift minus T plus 1, control shift minus P and this, okay, and you have to write it in normal approach, so you will write T1 plus PX, okay. Is this clear? So TPX and QPX is clear, and why can't I write it that much easily in my equation editor? Because if I use my underscore T, it won't go to the subscript until and unless I have something in my left hand side, okay. उससे पहले वो नीचे जाएगा ही नहीं जब तक मेरे पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कुछ होगा नहीं ना जिसकी सबस्क्रिप्ट में मुझे भेजना है, तो इक्वेशन एडिटर में वो नीचे नहीं जाएगा. Is this clear? So this notation is clear to everyone. TPX, TQX कर लोगे. Now we also have deferred. ये वाली notation होती है ना, we have this M deferred QX, right? So how do we write this? It will be right, for example, if I am using normal equation, normal approach, So I can write this. Otherwise, using the normal approach, control shift minus M, control and then I have this vertical bar, control shift minus to the normal script, I have Q, control shift minus X, control shift minus to the normal script. Anyone having any doubt till now? Anyone having any doubt till now? हो गया हो तो डन लिखो. Everyone write done till here. Everyone done till here? Okay. Now moving forward, since अभी आप लोगों का joint life नहीं हुआ है, I am not moving to the notations of joint life. Okay? आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. When we will be moving for joint life, तब कर लेंगे. Don't worry. Okay? So now let's move forward to our assurances. So let's move forward to assurances. So assurance के भी दोनों तीनों तरीके बताऊंगी मैं. Alt equal to A underscore, then we have X colon N, and then we have bar. Let me write it in the normal approach. So it is basically my A, X and this, right? This is my first. Second one will be A bar, which I will be teaching you. Third one would be A, X, and it is, you know, 1 over there. Then my fourth one will be select mortality and 1 over here, and fifth one I will be doing this. So this is my target for normal assurances. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So I have X, everything is in subscript, right? So I will use brackets firstly, X colon. Now N के ऊपर bar है ना, so I will use N backslash bar, double space, then I will use backward arrow ताकि मैं उसके पास में पहुंच सकूं, then use shift this, then I will use forward arrow key to move out of this blue box, then I use brackets and then I use space. Clear? Do you want me to repeat it? Clear, or do you want me to repeat it? Okay, let me tell you second notation which only involves bar. So I will write A, then I have bar over A, so bar, 2 spaces, obviously because I told you if we are using D dot, if we are using dot, if we are using bar, if we are using cap, hat, we would be using 2 spaces, otherwise it will come to the right hand side of my letter, right? Then I have everything in the subscript, so I use underscore brackets, X colon. Now I have this you know, uncertainty sign over my N, so I will write N backslash bar, 2 spaces. Now I will use backward arrow key ताकि मैं N तक पहुंच सकूं, then I use this horizontal vertical bar, right? Then I have used forward arrow key and I use this brackets, then I use a space. Clear? Write a done quickly, guys. Is it clear? Write a done in the chat room. Shri Krishna, Mithun, Harshita. Done or not? Any doubt in there? Okay. अब अगर इसको ना if we are, you know, you may find it very lengthy. Okay. If you are finding it very lengthy, तो हम इसको ना normal approach में भी लिख सकते हैं. How can we write it using the normal approach? For example, the first assurance notation. This notation is for what? Tell me. This notation symbolizes what? किसकी notation है ये? In your paper A, ये किसकी notation है? Tell me, guys. What type of assurance notation is it? एंडाउमेंट एश्योरेंस, वेरी गुड. सो एंडाउमेंट एश्योरेंस के इनिशियल्स में यूज करूंगी EA. Okay, since it represents endowment assurance, so EA of what life, X, for how much years, N years, so I use this. Okay, this is the notation of my this thing, endowment assurance. Clear? So you can also write it in this way, but I often find it confusing, but if you are comfortable with this approach, then it's also equally acceptable. Always remember, don't use the square brackets, use this bracket only, because square bracket represents my select mortality. When I will be moving to this notation now, square brackets represent select mortality. That's why to represent the time period I use this less than sign and a greater than sign. Okay, now tell me, this is my EA, but I have bar in there, so EA bar of what life, X life of how many years, of N years. So this is my second one. Clear? Sorry, E capital A. Okay. Okay. Done. Now let's move forward to our third notation. So third notation, how do we write is alt equal to A. Now can you see everything is it in subscript, so underscore brackets. Now can you see X के ऊपर एक छोटा सा 1 है, right? So I will use X space 1. Okay, clear? X1, then I use this colon, then I use this N sign, then I use bar, double bar, then I use backward arrow key, then I use this vertical bar, a forward arrow key, brackets close, and this. Okay, this is how you show term assurance. This is the notation for term assurance, right? Yes or no? This is the notation for term assurance. So I can write this as TA of what life, X life, for how many years, N years. Write yes in the chat room if it is done, guys. Do you want me to repeat any notation till now? Pretty easy, right? ठीक है. Now moving forward, let's move forward to pure endowment. Pure endowment में क्या हो जाएगा? This fourth one equation is basically my pure endowment with select mortality. So for example, if I forgive the select mortality for now, so it will become A underscore brackets, then I have X, then I have this colon, then I have this N, N के ऊपर I have this bar. So let's take N के ऊपर bar, double space, then I move forward, move backward, then I move forward, then I also use 1 over there, then I use a bracket, then I use this. Clear, guys? Is this clear? This shows my pure endowment. So pure endowment is basically PE, then I have X, then I have this N years. So this is also can be written as this. Now is it easy to write everything in my select mortality? So there is nothing new, you can just insert square brackets in there and this becomes your select mortality basically. Now I can also do select mortality in here. Okay. Moving on to the last notation of assurance, we have increasing assurance, right? Increasing term assurance. So basically it is not going to be changed. So let me take for example this thing only, control C, control V. I will take brackets I in there, and if I want to add 1 over there, so I can simply add 1 over there, right? If I want to add for example 1 over there, so I can simply add 1 over there, okay? And this basically becomes my I increasing term assurance, for my normal mortality. So this becomes this and this becomes this. So now you can write any of the assurance notation. कोई particular notation बची है which you feel like you are not able to write? Tell me, is there any particular notation which you feel like you are not able to write, guys? I can show that equation to you, no worries. Tell me, any particular notation from life assurance contract that you want me to do? Or you know, life tables as well. If you wanna, if I have missed any notation from my life tables, quickly give me in the chat room. Otherwise, we'll be moving forward to our annuities. Otherwise, write it done in the chat room, guys. कोई डाउट नहीं है तो write it done in the chat room. Otherwise, give me the notation. या कोई सी particular notation repeat करनी है, so you can also tell me quickly, guys. Okay, Mithun done, Harshita done. What about you, Krishna? Okay, so I am assuming this is done. So let's move forward to annuities. Now let's do one thing. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Try writing all the all the notations of annuities. It is similar in the way, just capital A becomes my small a, right? So quickly try writing all the notations from the scratch. Come on, try writing all the notations from scratch and give me a yes in the chat room. कोई notation पर रखते हो तो give me that notation particularly. Otherwise, try writing. I am giving you 5 minutes. Come on, and हो जाए तो write a yes in the chat room. Quickly, guys. Quickly, guys. Waiting for your response. how to write 2ax. So look, what is the similarly that you write, for example you remember tpx tqx, so वहाँ पर सबस्क्रिप्ट में था, यहाँ पर सुपरस्क्रिप्ट में, so control shift plus 2, control shift minus a, sorry control shift plus, so a control shift minus x, then we have n, so यहाँ पर चाहे n ऐसे लिख लो क्योंकि हम properly वो तो ला नहीं पाएंगे, so you write n like this, otherwise you can also bring n bar over this and you move forward to write this. Okay, clear Shri Krishna? अदरवाइज n नहीं है तो बेसिकली n नहीं होता है यहाँ पर, सो 2ax. क्लियर? इक्वेशन एडिटर में इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट टू टाइप बिकॉज ऑफ द सेम रीजन, इट वुड रिक्वायर समथिंग टू विच आई हैव टू रेज द पावर टू. ओके, सो नॉर्मल अप्रोच में लिखो इसको. Come on guys, you have 2 more minutes. Quickly write कि हो गए सारे notations or not. Are you done with all the notations? Okay, very good Harshita. Very good. I want similar responses from all of you guys. Okay, Mithun is also done. Waiting for you, Krishna. And no worries, no worries. I just want to know, are you able to complete or not? That's completely okay. And those who are missing out this class, guys, please don't. Okay, so let me write one notation. So let me convert a dot ले लेते हैं, ठीक है ना, a dot due वाली ले लेते हैं. Okay, let's take something in due format. So let me write alt equal to a double dot के लिए we have d dot, so space, then I have 50, for example I have 15 bar. Okay, then I will move backward to this thing. I will write this, I will move forward to this normal and this. Okay, now I have to write 12 over it also. So this, and I will use double brackets. 12 why double bracket? Because मेरे को चाहिए कि वो bracket दिखे, so it becomes this. Okay, now one more thing, if you guys want that okay, I don't want to write it in this format, so how can I write this as well? This can be written as a due, since it is a due. Okay, how much time it is being paid? 12 times, so p becomes my 12. For what life? For my x life. For how much period? X is not, basically I have 15 there, so 50, and for what time? 15 years, so I have this. So this is the way of typing in normal approach. Is this clear? Is this clear? Please repeat. Which one should I repeat, Harshita? The equation editor one or the normal approach one? Which notation do you want me to repeat exactly? Equation writer. Okay, alt equal to we have a double d dot. Okay, so उसको मैंने ऊपर पहुंचा दिया. Then I have 50 and 15. So underscore brackets 50. देन क्योंकि मेरे को 15 के ऊपर बार चाहिए एंड दीज आर टू टर्म्स, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टू यूज ब्रैकेट्स इन देयर. सो ब्रैकेट्स 15 बैकस्लैश बार डबल स्पेस. ओके, देन आई go to backward side, use this horizontal bar, then I come to this forward side, then I use brackets, then I use space so that it goes to my subscript, then I use this subscript में रखने वाला, then I use double brackets. Why double brackets? Because I want this 12 in my this bracket within my 12s. Okay, that's why I am using double brackets. Clear guys? So now you can write all the equations, right? Now let me give you a quick test. Let's do a quick test. Are you able to write this notation or not in the word? With that we will end up our class with this last notation. This is your target. Try writing this. This is one of your question in your math in the back hand side. So try writing this. And जिसका हो जाए give me a yes. If someone is not able to write, give me a no. Quickly. Come on quickly. हो जाए तो done लिखना. If you are not able to do it, so write no. Okay, very good Mithun. Rest of the students, if you are able to write this notation, then you are able to write any CT5 notation. Trust me. Because exactly you know how to exactly use the equation editor to write any particular equation. Very good Nachiket. Harshita and Krishna waiting for you guys. Okay, let's do it. Alt equal to A D dot. Okay, 50 and those columns and 15 is very simple. So I will use the simplest way to do this. 50 colon brackets 15 backslash bar 2 spaces. Then I move backward to this 15. I use this and I move forward. Brackets close. Now आप देख रहे हो this bar thing is over whole 50 to 15. That's why I will use bar double space. Clear? आ गया ना? And again, did I forgot this brackets basically? Just a second. Yeah, I forgot the bracket. So I use sorry, underscore I forgot. So that's bar double space and a space. Clear? And I have 12. So raise to the power double brackets 12 double brackets space. Clear? So pretty simple. दिखने में कितना complicated लग रहा है, but it's pretty simple. And again I would say make sure the use of copy and pasting while you are solving a question. Okay? We will solve a question in next week class whenever we will be having our next typing class. This class basically is designed for the notation so that I don't have to teach every notation in particular question. Okay? Krishna, is it clear? And rest of you guys, do you have any doubt? Otherwise, we will be wrapping up the class. Any general doubt regarding the typing? Any specific doubt regarding this? how to write this normally without the equation writer. Look, there is no particular specification of writing this in the IFOA or II handbook. Basically we are being given the mathematical notations. So how can I write it? Let's try. A du basically, and we have A du bar. Let's take this. There is no particular notation actually, Harshita. So it's better that you are writing it in normal equation editor approach, because if you see the notations that have been provided by the IFOA, these do not come into the standard notations. So it won't be justifiable if I tell you a certain way to write it in normal equation. Okay, are you getting my point? Actually we let me show you the document. Actually we have been provided with the mathematical symbols and notations document by IFOA, which can be used in II as well. So can you see? So there is no particular standard actuarial notation by which we can write it into the normal approach. That's why I would recommend, if such a question comes, then you use the equation editor approach. Yes, Krishna, I have been repeating in my all the classes, you can either use completely normal approach, you can either use completely equation editor approach, or you can also use the combination of both the approaches. That's also completely fine. Clear? For example, in such a question, if you are using these notations from the start, but if such a question come and if you are not able to write it in normal approach, then you can use equation editor approach. But I would say, for example, if you are using subscript and superscript in one part, then please use subscript and superscript in that part. For example, if you are writing 5 raised to the power 2, okay, and if you are using this sign, then throughout this part use this sign rather than writing in the second line 5 raised to the power 2, okay. That's something I recommend. Again, IFOA and II do not have restriction over it. Why I recommend is so that examiner have at the back of the mind that okay, you are using this sign for this particular notation. That's why I recommend this thing. Clear what I mean to say, Shri Krishna? Okay. Any more doubts from you, Mithun and Nachiket and Harshita? Any more doubt, guys? Okay. Okay. Okay guys, then let's wrap up the class for today. Let's meet next week with a particular question over these topics. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day.